In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive video link. First, make sure you're logged into Google Drive with the account that owns or has access to the video. If you use more than one Google account, double check you're in the right one so the file appears in your drive. Once you're in, navigate to the video you want to share. You can browse to the folder where it lives or use the search bar to find it by name. When you see the file, hover over it so you're sure you've selected the right one. Next, right-click the video. This opens a menu with several options. Choose Share. That will open the sharing window where all the access controls live. Think of this window as the control center for who can open your link and what they can do with the file. At the bottom of the sharing window, look for the General Access section and click the drop-down. Here you'll see options like Restricted, which limits access to people you specifically add, and in many cases, Anyone with the link, which lets anyone who has the link open it. If your goal is to share broadly without inviting people one by one, choose Anyone with the link. If you're in a work or school account, you might also see an option limited to your organization. That means only people signed in under the same organization can open the link. Pick the option that matches how widely you want to share. Now adjust the role. You'll see choices like Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Viewer is the safest for most video links. It lets people watch or download if you allow it, but they can't change the file or its sharing. Commenter is helpful if you want feedback with timestamped comments, especially on supported file types. Editor gives full file control in Drive, including the ability to move, rename, or share it further, so use Editor sparingly for videos. When your access and role look right, click Copy Link. That puts the shareable URL on your clipboard. Paste it wherever you plan to send it: email, chat, a document, or a calendar invite. If someone reports they can't open it, return to this window and confirm the general access setting and role match your intent. Remember, restricted links require you to explicitly add people by email. That's it. You've logged in, opened the video, used the share option, set general access, chosen the right role, copied the link, and shared it.